how you can reset your Fisher and Paykel dishwasher. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. If your dishwasher shows an F1 error, it means there is water where it should not be. This water is under the bottom drawer, and the machine is worried about flooding. So let's fix it step by step. First, turn off the dishwasher. You can press the power button or unplug it, or switch off the breaker. Wait for a few minutes so it is all off. Now, gently pull out the bottom drawer. It may have tabs just behind the front panel on both sides. Push those tabs, and you can pull the drawer further out. Then, lift it out a little bit. After that, use towels to soak up any water in the base pan below the drawer. You might leave the drawer out and let it dry for a while, maybe even many hours or a whole day. Once it is dry, the flood error usually goes away. Once it is dry, you can put the drawer back carefully, then restore power by plugging in again or flipping the breaker. If the error still comes back, something else may be wrong. Maybe a part called a flood switch sensor needs fixing, or a valve is leaking. Then you may need to call a service person or contact Fisher and Paykel support. And that's it. That's how you can reset your Fisher and Paykel dishwasher.